Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold on side power button and tap on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management. Click on app list. Click on Android, storage and cache, and clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.